Fun farm animals. Children can learn the name of animals in alphabetical order by looking at the pictures and repeating after the teacher. And the teacher can say to the students, "Do you like rabbits?" "Yes, I do." "No, I don't." "Yes, a little." "What color is the dog?" "The dog is brown." "What's your favorite animal?" "I like cats." There are a lot of opportunities to help children speak and understand spoken English by using the Fun Farm Animals poster.
Cow,
Dog,
dog,
duck,
duck,
fox,
fox,
frog,
frog,
goat,
goat,
horse,
horse,
mouse,
mouse,
pig,
pig,
rabbit,
rabbit,
raccoon,
raccoon,
sheep,
sheep,
turtle.
cow.
What's your favorite farm animal? I like dogs.
I like
Cows. Okay, Yuki, I like
uh,
turtles. Yeah, they're nice. Horses. Okay, Helene Sensei likes dogs. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Okay, give the dog to Helene Sensei. Thank you. Woof woof. Okay, what did you like? The frog. Get the frog. And Motoki, you got the horse? Motoki's got the horse? Okay. Helene Sensei has the dog. Okay. Hinako has the bird. Look at the bird's wings. She's got the bird. Okay. And Yuta has the cow. And look at this cow. Look. Whoa, that's a cow. Okay, Motoki has the horse. Motoki, where's the horse? Show me the horse. Okay, good. And Yuki has the turtle. Let me see the turtle. Good. Okay, but throw everything back in the box.